Hello everyone, this is nuisanceelectronics.ca and today we're repairing an LCD TV. It turns off after about an hour. So the very first thing that you're going to be doing is taking off the black cover. Keep all the screws on the same place. I had to use an ice cube tray to keep track of everything. This is the power supply board. There's a couple boards on the back. The blue one is the motherboard. That's for your HDMI, and your logic boards are all there. On the left is the inverter board that converts the high voltage to the CCFL tubes, and this is your T-con that controls the lines on the screen. So my first impression is going to be the power supply issue. So I looked on the board and there was a black spot on the transformer going towards the inverter board. So you're going to be taking this power supply board off and looking at the back. So this is me just removing power supply board. Here is the power supply board flipped over upside down. You can look, there is a very bad solder joint there. It's kind of burnt and the board is very dusty. You can see all the dirt. So I took off this dirt using a vacuum cleaner in reverse mode and just blew that all off. So the one leg to the transformer that goes to inverter board looks like it's kind of burnt, and I heard it kind of sparking, so I'm guessing that's why it turns off, is because that solder joint is pretty bad. So we'll do a solder repair here. I have this wire here. I'm going to solder it on.
Again, if you have more, you can go to nuisanceelectronics.com and scroll on over and check out my repair blog. Okay? Talk to you next time.